Have you been looking for a way to kickstart your weight loss journey? You're in for a treat. We're talking about a homemade drink packed with 4 simple yet powerful ingredients. I will be sharing this awesome recipe with you that has helped a lot of people already to lose a lot of pounds on the very first week. Watch until the end to make sure you are not missing a thing, and let me know in the comments if you have heard of this amazing shake before. First up, we've got cucumber. Now, who would have thought this humble veggie could be a secret weapon in your weight loss? Cucumbers with a whopping 95% water content helps you stay hydrated, and that is crucial for any weight loss plan. Cucumber not only keeps you refreshed, but also helps with digestion, because they contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. A healthy digestive system is essential for effective weight management, ensuring that your body absorbs nutrients efficiently and eliminates waste. Next on the list is ginger. This little root has been spicing up our lives for centuries, and for good reason. Ginger not only adds a zing to your drink, but also revs up your metabolism. It's like a little internal workout for your body, helping you burn those calories more efficiently. Plus, ginger has anti-inflammatory properties, making it a fantastic addition to your daily routine. Now let's talk lemons. They're a fat-burning machine. They are not just packed with vitamin C, but they help you boost your immune system and help your body break down fat more effectively. And guess what? The tangy flavor of lemons adds a delightful twist to your drink, making it a guilt-free pleasure. Last but certainly not least, we have pineapple. This tropical fruit isn't just delicious, it's also a powerhouse of nutrients. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that aids in digestion and helps your body absorb nutrients better. Plus, the natural sweetness of pineapple adds a tropical vibe to your drink, making it a delightful part of your morning routine. Okay, without further ado, here is the recipe. We'll need 1 unpeeled cucumber cut into thick sliced chunks, 1 unpeeled ginger root cut into slices, the juice of 2 lemons and set the juice aside for later, 1 pineapple peeled and cut into chunks, pineapple water. Transfer pineapple peels into pot, add water, cover and boil, then strain and leave it to cool down. Directions: put cut cucumbers, ginger root and pineapple chunks into a blender. Add pineapple peel water and blend on high. Pour into a larger pitcher with a strainer and add the lemon juice to pitcher and enjoy. Having it on an empty stomach allows your body to absorb all those fantastic nutrients without any interference, setting the stage for a day of healthy choices. This recipe is very simple, yet very effective. It's also important to combine a good quality weight loss probiotic to get your body in an optimal state for burning fat. There's a research which suggests that a healthy gut microbiome and how efficiently you lose weight is strongly related. If you want to take it to the next level, make sure to watch my next video where I talk about how to improve your gut health for better results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and remedies for you and your loved ones.